Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and here we get the new security update in Windows 11 laptop and desktop. Okay, to update it, first go to settings. Okay, now in settings, if we go in Windows update, so you can see 2026-03 security update KB5079473 is available to download and install. And guys, the size of this update is 4523.6 MB, and it will take several minutes to download and install in your laptop and PC. And if you want to learn more about this update, go to get help. And here in search bar, paste the number over there and hit enter. So here you can see March 10, 2026, it is KB5079473, and this is the OS builds. And this cumulative update for Windows 11 version 25H2 and 24H2 KB5079473 includes the latest security fixes and improvements along with non-security updates from last month's optional preview release. To learn more about differences between security updates, optional non-security preview updates, out-of-band updates, and continuous innovations, see Windows Monthly Update Explained. You can also read the article. So guys, I just want to inform you that the new security update is available to download and install, and it is really important. Just go there and download and install this update. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.